Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the most amazing heavy machinery in the world. These incredible machines are marvels of engineering, showcasing unmatched power, efficiency, and innovation. Let's dive in and discover the top 125 heavy machinery that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Begin with some of the most colossal excavators ever built. Caterpillar 6090 FS, the world's largest hydraulic mining shovel, designed for maximum productivity in mining operations. Liebherr R9800, known for its immense power and efficiency, perfect for large-scale mining projects. Komatsu PC80006, a giant in the industry, offering unparalleled digging capabilities. Hitachi X80006, built for extreme environments, delivering exceptional power and performance. Bucyrus RH400, an engineering marvel with incredible digging force, ideal for massive mining operations. Next, let's look at some towering cranes that redefine lifting capabilities. Liebherr LR13000, the most powerful crawler crane in the world, with unmatched lifting capacity. Manitowoc 31000, features a unique variable position counterweight system for superior stability and lifting power. Terex CC8800-1 Twin, known for its modular design and extraordinary lifting abilities, perfect for large-scale projects. Sany SCC860000TM, a giant in the crane industry, ideal for heavy-duty tasks like wind turbine installations. ZCC3200NP, one of the largest cranes, designed for massive infrastructure projects. These dump trucks are essential for transporting enormous loads in mining and construction. Belaz 75710, the world's largest dump truck, capable of carrying 450 metric tons. Its size and capacity are unparalleled. Caterpillar 797F, renowned for its durability and high payload capacity, a staple in mining operations. Komatsu 980E4, this massive truck offers advanced features for efficient hauling in tough conditions. Terex MT6300AC, one of the largest and most powerful dump trucks, designed for heavy loads in challenging environments. Liebherr T284, combines impressive size and efficiency for optimal performance in mining. Bulldozers are critical for earth moving and construction. Here are some powerful models. Caterpillar D11, a powerhouse in construction, known for its strength and durability. Komatsu D575A3SD, the world's largest bulldozer, built for heavy-duty tasks like mining and large-scale construction. John Deere 1050K, combines power and precision for optimal performance in tough conditions. Liebherr PR776, known for its efficiency and advanced features in earth-moving operations. Shantui SD90-5, a massive bulldozer designed for extreme earth-moving tasks. Tunnel boring machines (TBMs) create tunnels with precision and efficiency. Here are some of the most incredible ones. Herengnek EPB Shield S300, known for its advanced technology and efficiency in tunnel construction. Robbins Crossover XRE, a versatile machine designed for various geological conditions. China Railway Group's TBM, one of the largest TBMs, designed for mega infrastructure projects. Hitachi Zosen's TBM, combines cutting-edge technology with high performance in tunnel boring. NFM Technologies TBM, renowned for its precision and efficiency in large-scale tunnel projects. Loaders are vital for moving materials in construction and mining. Here are some high-performance models. Caterpillar 994K, the largest wheel loader in Caterpillar's lineup, designed for heavy-duty tasks. Komatsu WA 1200-6, a giant in the industry, offering exceptional loading capacity and efficiency. Liebherr L586X-Power, combines power and fuel efficiency for optimal performance. Hitachi ZW550-6, known for its durability and advanced features in material handling. Volvo L350H, a versatile and powerful loader designed for tough conditions. Graders are crucial for road construction and maintenance. Here are some of the most advanced models. Caterpillar 24M, known for its power and precision in large-scale grading projects. Komatsu GD825-6, combines advanced technology with high performance in grading. John Deere 872G, offers exceptional control and efficiency in road construction. Volvo G990, a versatile grader designed for various applications. Mitsubishi MG330, known for its durability and efficiency in grading tasks. Paving machines ensure smooth and durable roads. Here are some of the best. Vogel Super 3003, known for its high performance and precision in paving. Caterpillar AP555F, combines advanced technology with efficiency in road construction. Dynapac SD2500CS, a versatile paver designed for various applications. Fendt Ideal 10T, a versatile and efficient harvester for various crops. These 125 amazing heavy machinery models showcase the incredible technological advancements driving our industries forward. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.